What's going on, guys? Welcome to the homestead. Welcome to the homestead. Well, it's Friday, but we ain't gonna do no cooking show today for Fired Up Friday because this hurricane kind of put me behind on everything. It's made it a little difficult to get the predator chicken coop, proof chicken coop done. So haven't been able to get another video out on that yet, but we're gonna start working on it today now that all the rain went away. That old hurricane, we got fortunate, it ended up turning and it was just pretty much a rain event for us. We got quite a bit of rain, but which I'm never against. I enjoy getting the rain, we could use it. But today's an exciting day on the homestead. We got a couple of new additions to the homestead today. Ended up getting a rooster. I got some hens coming tonight. And just about got the run part of the chicken coop done, so pretty excited about that. Got to give him a name though. Tell me what y'all think in the comments the name should be for him, and we'll go ahead and pick a name. Right now I'm leaning towards old Captain Jack Sparrow. Yep. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the new rooster. Come on, first rooster on the homestead. Yes, sir. He's a good looking boy. He's black and got a lot of blue feathers and stuff. And as soon as I put him in the goat enclosure here with the goats, he's started doing his job. He's just a picking and getting all these ticks and bugs around. Excited about having him on the homestead. He'll be the only rooster I got for now. And my brother's coming up tonight to bring a couple of hens to me to get me started. And then later on, I'll end up getting some more. A buddy of mine's got a chicken farm down south there, and I was gonna get quite a few hens from him, but he just had the unfortunate thing happen to him as he got a bunch of chickens out of Texas and they was sick, and ended up spreading it to his flock there, so he had to put a bunch of the chickens down. So I'm gonna hold off a little while on that and let him get his little infrastructure resettled and healthy, and then I'll go down there and get some more chickens. But my brother, like I said earlier, he's coming up tonight, and he's gonna bring me a couple of hens that he's got that he wants me to have to keep the new rooster here company. But even more excited, I got a new goat for the homestead. She's a dapple. She's a dapple spotted boar goat. She's a big girl. She's already came into here and exerted her dominance and letting them know that there's a new doe in town. Boy, I tell you what, she sure is pretty. Let me spin the camera around here and show you her. Excited about having her. She's just as friendly as can be. She's pretty though. I sure do enjoy it. Her name is Georgia. Georgia, Georgia on my mind. Yeah, she's a great new addition. This will be the last female that I'm adding. I'm looking to get one more buck. That way I got a little bit of diversity with breeding. But I think I got a line on that. I'll find out here soon if that's going to come through, and if it does, then I'll add that. And then from there, I'm just going to let them breed and have babies and grow my herd like that. But she sure is a pretty girl. She's a big girl too. Yes, ma'am. Say hey to all the viewers. Georgia. Georgia. Say Georgia. Georgia on my mind. But as you can see, she's quite a bit bigger than the rest of them. She's even bigger than the buck. Sure is a nice addition to the homestead though. Yep, we're slowly growing. In times right now where everything's a little bit uncertain, you know, you just can't go wrong with just adding a little bit extra just in case. But it's going to be a short video today. I just wanted to touch base with you because I haven't been able to upload 3 times a week like I typically do because of all these storms that I've been dealing with. It's kind of put me behind schedule quite a bit, but I wanted to take the time to reach out to you guys and let you know what's going on the homestead, and also let you know that we ended up faring pretty well with the hurricane. Excited about that. I was a little worried about it, but it ended up working out. But I'm going to go ahead and get off here and start working on this here predator-proof chicken coop. Try to get another video out to y'all and get it finished. So until we see each other again, come on, let's go homesteading.